Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering Data Visualization, Lecture 6. In this lecture we will learn about storytelling with data, crafting effective data narratives, storyboarding and structuring data stories, using visual hierarchy and storytelling techniques, incorporating storytelling elements in data visualization, presenting data stories effectively. Conclusion: crafting effective data narratives. Data is only as valuable as the story it tells. Crafting an effective data narrative is essential for communicating insights and engaging your audience. A data narrative is a compelling story that weaves together data, context, and insights to create a meaningful message. To craft an effective data narrative, you must first understand your audience and their needs. What are their pain points? What questions do they have? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can begin to structure your narrative. Start with a clear thesis statement that summarizes your key message. Then, organize your data and insights into a logical flow that supports your thesis. Finally, use storytelling techniques to bring your data to life and engage your audience. Storyboarding and structuring data stories. Storyboarding is a crucial step in crafting an effective data narrative. It involves breaking down the story into smaller, manageable parts and organizing them in a logical sequence. When structuring data stories, it's important to keep in mind the overall goal of the narrative and ensure that each part contributes to the larger story. This can be achieved by creating a clear beginning, middle, and end, and using transitions to guide the audience from one point to the next. Using visual hierarchy and storytelling techniques. Visual hierarchy is a crucial aspect of data storytelling. It involves using design elements such as size, color, and contrast to guide the viewer's attention and emphasize key points. By creating a clear visual hierarchy, you can help your audience understand the story behind the data more easily. Effective storytelling techniques also play an important role in engaging and informing audiences. One technique is to use real-life examples or anecdotes that relate to the data being presented. Another is to create a narrative flow that takes the viewer on a journey through the data, building up to a clear conclusion. Incorporating storytelling elements in data visualization. Incorporating storytelling elements into data visualizations is an effective way to enhance the narrative and emphasize key points. Annotations, for example, can provide context and help guide the viewer's attention to important details. Color can be used to create visual hierarchy and convey meaning, while typography can add personality and style to the visualization. When using annotations, it's important to strike a balance between providing enough information and overwhelming the viewer with too much detail. One effective technique is to use callouts or labels to highlight specific data points while keeping the overall visualization clean and uncluttered. Similarly, color can be used sparingly to draw attention to specific areas of the visualization, such as highlighting outliers or emphasizing trends. Presenting data stories effectively. When presenting data stories, it is important to structure your presentation in a clear and concise manner. Start with an attention-grabbing introduction that sets the stage for your story and clearly states your main message. Use visuals to support your narrative and break up complex information into digestible chunks. Be sure to engage your audience throughout the presentation by asking questions and encouraging participation. Effective storytelling techniques can help you convey complex information in a way that resonates with your audience. Use anecdotes and examples to illustrate key points and make your message more relatable. Use visual hierarchy to guide your audience's attention and emphasize important information. Finally, be sure to practice your presentation ahead of time to ensure a smooth delivery. Conclusion. In conclusion, crafting an effective data narrative requires careful planning and attention to detail. By storyboarding and structuring your data stories, using visual hierarchy and storytelling techniques, incorporating storytelling elements in data visualization, and presenting your data stories effectively, you can create compelling narratives that engage and inform your audience. Remember to always keep your audience in mind and tailor your narrative to their needs and interests. Use clear and concise language, avoid jargon, and focus on the most important information. By following these principles of effective data storytelling, you can create impactful narratives that drive action and change.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.